This young man, this young girl dresses properly and walks majestically with a songbook, a notebook, a lesson, a Bible, and we profess the faith. When Sabbath comes, then your playlist changes. Tujenge ukuta, ukuta ulobomolewa chini naye adui. Na umekuwa ukifanya kazi ya kuibomoa the whole week. And you want to walk and say you want to walk the talk on the Sabbath alone, it is not enough. It does not completely give you what you expect, and neither does it make God happy about us. There are young people that have listened to messages from the Bible, and they have chosen to make deliberate efforts to make differences. People who try to make differences usually see the difference. I know of a team from Eastlands that ran a program that says 1 day a month of touching a life. And one day a young person decided that the way of touching a life was to pay transport for the person seated next to them, irrespective of the gender. I know some people would want to know the gender before you pay the transport. Lipa tu fare ya mtu. And after they paid the fare, this opened up a discussion. The discussion ended up into a Bible study. The Bible study ended up into a call, Pastor, can we talk? Can you please speak to this person? And just a simple kulipia mtu fare ends up in baptism, and therefore giving someone free ticket into eternity. What direction are you walking in your faith? What kinds of efforts are you making in your type of worship? What kind of efforts are you making each day so that your worship is not just on the Sabbath, but you find yourself at war each day trying to bring people into understanding that there is a faith that I profess and have been called into, and I'm moving in this faith and for this faith for a particular purpose that is creating a difference and winning souls to Christ.
Get the point. Take a step forward.